How to remove background from your video or photo. Now, in order to do that, you just simply need to open InShot application and select either a clip or the image where you want to remove the background. I have already made this draft in order to do that. Now, to remove the background, you have two features that you can use in this application. First one, this AI cut, which will remove the background of your videos. It doesn't work on photo. Just simply tap into AI cut after selecting your video and it will automatically remove your background as much as it can. Now the other option here is this cutout. Just simply select the cutout, and if you select this cutout option directly, it will remove the background in one click like this, and you can change on the backgrounds and all those stuff. And the other option we have here is into the cutout also. Now select chroma, and what chroma does is whatever color you select, it will recognize the pattern of that color and it will remove all of the similar color from the whole picture. Now use this feature if you want, or use the cutout directly. This way you can easily remove background in InShot. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe